Now, at a glance, it might not look like it, but you guys are looking at one of the most valuable P71s on the road today. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Polar Bear Crown Vic.
They got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the streets, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing my dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my 10 in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a looked out gay set, tripping bang.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is get the basics out of the way. In front of us, we have a 2005 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Now, it does come with a bulletproof, unmodified 4.6 liter 2-valve V8 we've all come to know and love. And besides the front and rear taillights, that's where all the ordinary things about this car end. That's because this thing is loaded with extremely rare or even sometimes discontinued police equipment. All right, so we're gonna start with the SAP front grille.
Originally equipped in the ultra-rare Crown Victoria Street Appearance Package Interceptors, also known as SAP, this special chrome grille was used by police interceptors disguised as civilian model Crown Vics. The SAP Crown Vics were generally used by detectives or agencies like the CIA and FBI.
And next up, we have this one-of-a-kind Tennessee Highway Patrol issued only solid steel. This whole thing is a solid steel design. You don't believe me? Check it out. Solid freaking steel. Let's talk about this push bar, shall we?
Issued only for the Tennessee Highway Patrol, this particular one-of-a-kind push bar with the headlight wrap and additional lower-end wrap was specifically issued to lead pursuit units that would execute pit maneuvers during high-speed pursuits.
All right, guys, now the reason why I am under this car is I want to show you guys this next treasure of policing equipment, and that is the skid plate.
Generally issued to highway patrol departments, the Sentinel front skid plate was designed to allow P71s engaged in pursuits to go over curbs or run over objects that might come off a fleeing vehicle. All this without damaging the engine or undercarriage, literally causing debris to just skid right off the plate while causing minimal damage to the vehicle.
All right, guys, and next up, we have the lojack system.
You guys are looking at a very special set of lojack antennas, not only because they are attached to a fully functioning lojack system, but also because they came from none other than Crown Rick Auto himself. Now the antennas, along with the grommets, are getting harder and harder to find nowadays. But add in a fully functioning head unit as well, and you just place yourself in the top 1% of police replica cars.
Next piece of equipment here might not be as fancy as a fully functional lojack system, but it's rare nonetheless.
Essentially, it's a standard police trunk organizer, but it has a built-in added sliding tray for ease of use and further storage of police equipment.
Now the Polar Bear is also equipped with a CVPI issued only rear metallic, yes, I said metallic, third brake light housing with LED. Last but not least, guys, we have the Code 3 Supervisor Stealth front windshield light bar. As you guys can see, give you guys a better shot of it, and it's actually fully LED as well. Yep, light her up. Gonna be it, guys, for the Polar Bear Crown Victoria review, aka the rolling police museum on wheels. A lot of you guys might know that this car belongs to somebody who is no stranger to this channel, and that is the Crown Vic guru himself, Mitchell. And there's a reason he earned that nickname, guys. So if you guys want to hit him up, if you have any questions about his build, or you know, if you need some guidance or advice, hit him up at his Instagram. There you guys go. Let him know what you think about the Polar Bear. Let me know in the comment section down below. But none of this would have been possible without a lot of you guys who are subscribers to my channel. And Mitchell here, if you guys didn't know, he was involved in a horrific traffic accident that could have actually ended his life. And his old Crown Vic ended up saving his life. And the entire Panther community got together, guys, and we were able to pull something together for him. And this is his car, the new Polar Bear Crown Victoria.
I'd like to thank everybody that helped me out when I crashed to help me get another Crown Victoria. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have the Polar Bear today. Thank you.
He even kept a little reminder. This was on the original car, as a reminder as to how these cars, man, how they're just built differently, man. They really are built for tough.